The mention of the Hebrew alphabet brings to mind the Hebrew letters that are familiar to many today that are used in Torah scrolls, Hebrew Bibles, and even in modern Hebrew books and newspapers. However, history suggests that these Hebrew letters are not the same Hebrew letters used in antiquity. In 1854, Thomas Hartwell wrote, "The present Hebrew characters, or letters, are 22 in number and of a square form, but the antiquity of these letters is a point that has been most severely contested by many learned men." Hartwell continues, "But the most decisive confirmation of this point is to be found in ancient Hebrew coins, which were struck before the Babylonian captivity, and even engraven on all of them are manifestly the same with the modern Samaritan." The Samaritans are, according to themselves, the descendants of the northern tribes of Israel that were not sent into Assyrian captivity and have continuously resided in the land of Israel. The Torah scroll of the Samaritans use an alphabet that is very different from the one used on Jewish Torah scrolls. According to the Samaritans themselves and Hebrew scholars, this alphabet is the original Old Hebrew alphabet. Even as far back as 1691, this connection between the Samaritan and the Old Hebrew alphabets was made by Henry Dodwell. The Samaritans still preserve the Pentateuch in the Old Hebrew character. Humphrey Prideaux also writes in 1799, "And these 5 books of the Samaritans still have among them, written in the Old Hebrew or Phoenician character, which was in use among them before the Babylonish captivity, and in which both these and all other scriptures were written, till Ezra transcribed them into that of the Chaldeans." According to Prideaux, the Hebrew Torah, the Pentateuch, was originally written with an alphabet similar to that of the Samaritans, but after the exile in Babylon, it was transcribed with the Chaldean square alphabet, which is still used today in modern Hebrew.